to use the regular entrance now. Sad times. But anyway, hi! We're back! Yay! So it's Friday now and we are here until tomorrow. We're leaving in tomorrow. What a bop. And it's now 12 o'clock and we are heading into the park. We came here with the Thalys from Rotterdam. The best thing about Rotterdam is the train to Disneyland Paris. Love it. So yeah, we have no clue what we are going to do. Only that we have a dinner reservation at 6:45. Yeah. So it's the biggest surprise for you guys and it's for us. So yeah. Oh, almost ruined the picture. See you inside. No. Still going strong. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. So apparently it rained like
cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs. It rained pijpenstelen. Yes, yes.
And peepstills.
It rained peepstills. So we are now heading towards Phantom Manor, and afterwards we are going to grab some food, maybe some characters, because the rides will probably be a lot more quieter in the evening. Although I have to say it's not that bad. Pirates was 20 minutes, but it broke down-ish kinda. I don't know what Phantom Manor is now, but when we checked it was 5 minutes, but I think it's a bit more now. 15?
Doable.
Oh well. See you inside or not. Maybe we will die. Who knows? Hi. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
Veuillez rester bien assis. Ici, on aura en quelques...
Goblins and ghoulies, creatures of fright, we summon you now to dance through the night.
Is that by ons?
Were you Melanie?
Were you Melanie?
Did you die?
No.
No.
Nothing.
No.
Once
No.
again.
Oh no, it's raining. We are melting. Oh no. It's time for food. What time is it? It's time for food. 1:30. See you inside. Oh no, it's going to rain. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow.
C'est ça donne quand tu bouges, ça peut jamais regarder.
Ouais.
Alors, tu peux pas ne pas filmer droit.
Et là c'est une vidéo.
You like them?
Ah c'est une vidéo.
C'est toujours droit, t'as vu? Tu veux mettre dedans?
She has them in blue. Is that your favorite color?
Non, non.
Can we take some pictures together?
Ooh. Well, I'm dressed in blue. Yay! Because I knew we Thank you. Oh, well, thank you. Shall we take a picture?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a lovely day.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
A 12.
12. Good answer. 12. How much did you like? 13. It keeps getting better.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Hij gaat niet.
Look at the bag to show you. You like it? It's so cute. Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, we have some. Yes, it's so nice. I think after all, I think it would go perfect with your outfit. Yeah, perfect. That's just amazing. I'm going to take a leak again. I'm sorry. Maybe Donald will buy you one. Yeah? I think we should ask him. We can ask him too. Maybe we can convince him. Yeah? Shall we finish it together? Aw, thank you so much.
Rennen, meid.
Hi. Can I have a hug from you? How are you doing? Are you enjoying your time here in Paris? Yes, you like it? Yeah, me too. I like it really much. Now I've met you, it's amazing. Shall we take some pictures together? Yeah?
Leg naar jouw tas.
Can we do some pictures together? Oh yeah.
Have you seen her bag? Her bag is amazing too.
It's so nice.
Aww.
Yeah? Shall we take some pictures?
That was the cutest meet and greet ever with Daisy. Oh, she loved our bags. Make me happy. So now we are going on Star Tours. And after that it's time for the parade. They said 20 minutes, but not sure.
Longer?
Well, if that wasn't the worst ride ever on Star Tours, I think I should have worn my earplugs because the kids were screaming so freaking loud. I've never experienced this before. I'm actually amazed that my watch didn't even give me a warning of the decibel. I don't know, of the surroundings. So it's almost parade time. And yeah, I forgot my sunglasses because they said it would rain and be cloudy, so here we are. So we are going to grab a drink and then we are heading towards the parade, so see you there.
Dat was de regenbui die in één keer er zou een parade komen. Maar in één keer bleef het heel hard te regenen.
Imagine tout ce qu'il y a ici.
fantastisch! Oh, fantastisch. Ja, dat heeft wel oké. Dat gaat fout. Ik weet niet wie zit, maar die loopt echt inderdaad...
Jawel. Gaat weer harder dan je. Oh ja.
Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go.
I'm stuffed. I don't know about you, but
Me too.
so of course, what's the best thing to do when you are stuffed with food? Go on Hyperspace Mountain. So we are heading there now. It's now 8:30, so we have 2.5 hours left until the fireworks start. So time to do some rides. So yeah, I'm not going to take you with me, of course, in Phantom Manor. I'm not going to take you guys with me in Hyperspace Mountain. Might insert the right picture here. And then after that, it's a surprise. Okay, so we just came off Hyperspace Mountain front row. Yes, we cried. I actually do prefer front row over back row in Hyperspace Mountain, because you kind of like you feel the carriage push you forward, so that's pretty cool. We are now heading towards Regenboog. We're now heading towards Big Thunder Mountain. It's now almost 9 o'clock, so we are going to do that, and then fireworks, or I don't even know what the waiting time is. I think 30 minutes maybe. So yeah, afterwards you just have to wait and see, because we don't know either. But I am already looking forward to the fireworks, because I just love Disney Dreams, so I'm so ready for it. Oh, there's already people sitting down for the fireworks. Great. With 2 hours to go. Good luck to those people. See you at Big Thunder Mountain.
I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone.
So we just did a power nap on Big Thunder Mountain. Insert picture here. And I'm now going to beat Leideke. In Buzz Lightyear.
Probably.
Yeah. And then we are going to look for a spot for the fireworks. So yeah, see you in a bit, but hopefully a new high score, but probably not. But I will win. Good luck.
What is your high score?
Game on. I don't know. I don't know. I never keep track. Okay. Bye. Where are you at? Buzz is gone.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't want to tell me
Disney dreams.
The second star to the right shines in the night for you.
It's our problem free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
That showed up. Sure is good to have you back, Shadow.
Okay, my battery is almost dying, so I'm going to say goodnight for now. We are back tomorrow. Actually, the thing I like most about Disney Dreams is that it doesn't have Frozen in there, so that's great, and more villain time. So yeah, we are waiting for the biggest crowd to leave the park now. Then we are going to walk behind that crowd and go to bed. See you tomorrow. Bye.